Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix our download shortcut not working issue on iPhone, in Instagram or any other app. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all I can show you the issue. So simply go to Instagram, so tap on video and tap on share, scroll down and tap on our download. So simply do it again, tap on our download. So here you can see that it's completed but not downloading video in my photos gallery. So here, so go back now. So guys, how can we fix this issue to download Instagram or any other videos on your iPhone? So simply go to Safari browser, tap on the search section, tap on download, yes download shortcut. So scroll down and tap on yes download share shortcuts.com. So tap on download shortcut. So wait for loading. Tap on setup shortcut, tap on next, tap on next, tap on add shortcut. So go back now and open Instagram again, tap on share to, scroll down and tap on yes download. So wait for it, tap on allow. Allow all the options here. Always allow. So completed, go back, tap on photos. So you can see guys, video has been downloaded. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.